and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me video. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this super gorgeous Indian look. So I love wearing lehengas and saree, anything in Indian wear. So even if it's like my brother's, cousins, sisters, friends marriage, I attend. So that's the thing about I love dressing up myself in Indian attires. So today I'm going to be showing how I achieved this look. Like hair, I didn't use any comb. It takes like just 2 minutes, and for makeup I have used just 5 products, and for outfit I'm not actually wearing a lehenga. I have draped a saree into a lehenga, so it's like a last minute idea that you can carry whenever you're going to a function or a festival. So before getting into today's video, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and yeah, let's get started. So I've just washed my face and did some skincare like moisturizer and a toner. So I'm gonna start off with the foundation. For this I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this using the same brush given with it, and I'm going very light with the foundation today, and I'm applying the same as concealer. So the base is done. For like a last minute makeup, I don't usually conceal my eyes. I think this coverage is like enough. So I'm gonna set my face using the LA18 compact powder. This is just for 100 rupees and it's in the shade Shell. So it's not really like a compact powder, but it's like a loose powder. So I'm not that impressed with this. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face and set it using a fluffy brush. A last minute tutorial. For like a last minute tutorial, I don't really do any eye makeup, so I am using a lipstick to just give some tint to my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm using a sugar lipstick. This is their new range. I'll put this in the description box, you can have a look. So it's a beautiful pink color. So I'm just gonna take it on my finger and then apply it on my eyelids, like dab it, and it's gonna give like a natural eye color to your eyelids, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna smudge it with fingers. So this way you can use a lipstick like an eyeshadow. So to line my eyes, I'm using a kajal. This is from LA18. So what I'm going to do is just line my upper eyelid and also my lower eyelid and just smudge it using my fingers. So using my little finger, I'm just gonna smudge it now. So the eye makeup looks like this. To add some definition to my eyes, I'm using a mascara. This is from Wet n Wild mascara. I got this like today, and this is not that really great. It's not waterproof. I'm just gonna use it. You can use any mascara that you like. So I'm not defining my brows. I'm just gonna use a pulley and brush it. So now I'm gonna add some highlighter. Of course, I can't do without highlighter. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. Beautiful rose gold highlighter. I'll apply it with my fingers. So that's it for the base and the makeup. I'm completing the look using the same lipstick which I used for the eyeshadow, and this is from Sugar. So for the hair, I like to do like my usual low bun. So I'm not gonna use any comb for this, and I like to partition in the middle. You can of course go for side partition, and what I'm gonna do is take a section of my hair, just this section, and take another section and just roll it over the first section. I'm gonna continue doing the same. Take a section and roll it over the first section. I'm gonna do it, and at last I'm gonna roll all together and secure it with a pin, like a bobby pin. Shall I show this? Like this is just temporary, and I'm gonna do the same with this side as well. It's just like 2 minutes. You don't even need a comb. So I'll remove the bobby pin this side and just roll it. And when I reach here, I have short hair, so if you have long hair, you can just hold the ponytail and roll it and put a bun. So as I have like short hair, I like to put it this way, just this. Can you see? Like just one fold, and that's it. The low bun is done. I like to keep it messier. I don't like to, you know, comb it much and keep it flat. I like to keep it messier. So this is the bun. I'll just loosen a little bit in the front. So this is it for the hair. I like to keep it messier. I don't really comb much, and yeah, this is looking nice. So for Indian wears, I like to put some flowers. I think this adds up to your look and it looks gorgeous. I like flowers, you know. So I have this much flour. I don't know if I need all of this. So I'm just gonna roll it over the bun, like simply roll it, nothing much, and then put that, just roll it and put that in the rubber band. So my bun looks like this, super gorgeous and simple. So my hair and makeup is done. I'm gonna also wear these jhumkas. It's a pearl jhumkas, basic Indian jhumkas. Oh, this is looking nice. I'll decide if I have to wear bindi later once the outfit is done. Oh my god, it's looking so gorgeous. Now we're gonna move to the outfit. So to drape a sari like lehenga, I'm wearing a vibrant pink color blouse. I'm really sure you have seen this a lot of times. And to match this, I'm wearing a satin lacha. And the sari that I'm gonna be using today is a George's sari. So first, I'm gonna tuck it normally one round, and for the second round I'm gonna make like a palm size pleats and tuck inside the whole sari. I suggest you to go for saris that are soft and sits properly, and not really recommend a cotton sari. And the skirt is done, completing the whole look with a bright yellow color bindi and a silk dupatta. And this is the final look. You can use any sari as a lehenga. And thank you for watching. Do follow me on Instagram. I'm super active there, and don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.